how to run a portable air conditioner in your minivan. Inverter under the seat, 3,000 watt portable air conditioner. It's 12,000 BTU. Exhaust out of the back. I don't know what this little cabinet is. It's where the rear AC is. There's actually a little rubber holes with little rubber mounts that cover up the holes. That's already come standard in the vans. I drilled a hole bigger, so it stealths exhaust down by the rear back tire. It doesn't make any noise. No one even knows I'm running AC in my car, and let alone sees any exhaust hose out the windows or out the sunroofs. It's all powered by my battery bank down below, and pretty genius to me. Pretty genius in my mind. You can see me turn it on. Let's see here. All right. Power it up. 3,000 watt. All right. Got my solar controller for my solar panel on the roof. Would never know I had one up there. Showing my batteries are not full charge, but they're charged. So I'll go ahead and turn it on. So let's put it to cool for the air conditioning. Let's set it to hear the compressor kick on right there. Set it to 65. Do the just like you would have one in your house. Just do a swing. See, this air conditioner is stupid. It's got a little electrical problem in the. It always switches to the fan. Alright, let's turn the compressor back on. It's going to take a second. It always does this. And it's the air conditioner. I got it at Lowe's. It's a piece of crap. It's a 12,000 BTU. I'm getting ready to take it back, to tell you the truth. I'll try the 10,000 watt. I'll try the 14,000. I mean the 12. I'll try the 10,000 BTU, and then I'm gonna try the 14,000 BTU. I have yet to have an portable air conditioner that, I mean, cools down the whole area. They all claim they're not spot coolers, but it seems like I gotta go up in the high BTUs for it to really like maintain cooling down the van. Even though they're all, I mean, it's a brand new Toyota Sienna. So it's all got brand new seals, not like it leaks any air or anything. I'm sure it pulls air through a couple places, but this is how you park your car. Maybe if you're a private investigator and you gotta work out of your van and it's 100 degrees outside, and you know you don't want a cold bath with wet towels. Maybe you want to run a portable air conditioner in your car. Well, this is how you do it. Sorry it's taking so long. The compressor takes forever in this air conditioner to. Come on, air compressor. Let's try turning it all the way down to the coldest, just to hurry it up. I I like this van too because it's a perfect placement to put the inverter underneath the seat. I mean, it really doesn't run into anything. I'm waiting for it. Try to stay away from this brand if you go to Lowe's and you need a portable air conditioner. This is crap. Finally just kicked over. These are 300 watt indicator bars. So being a 12,000 BTU on the highest setting, 61 degrees. 3, 6, 9. It should be a lot more than that, but for some reason it's not. All it means for me is I'm gonna be able to run it for longer with my battery bank. The batteries are still good. The exhaust is going out there, just going outside. No one knows anything going on. This is the battery bank. 4 12-volt deep cycle batteries. They claim to be solar batteries. They were like $250 a pop. It's how you wire it up so they all evenly dissipate in the charge. You can't just run it. I mean, you can just run it parallel to parallel to parallel to parallel, but they're not going to drain evenly. So if you ever have any questions about that, I'll get into that. I use my car to charge it because obviously the solar panel is not going to put enough charge into the batteries to cover what I'm using with the portable air conditioner. So I don't dip into my alternator, I dip into my battery. I can show you another video. I actually have another video already on YouTube about that, but just in case anybody was wondering how to run a portable air conditioner out of your van, stealth mode, exhaust, no exhaust hoses through any windows, no sunroofs, no one knows you're in here, it's quiet.